What's up, everybody? This is T-Roy here with T-Roy's Toys. On today's episode, we got a fun little accessory to go for our 2001 Honda Rancher that we call. Now, guys, if you've seen on our last video where we did a lot of the wheel bearings and did the transfer case on the Rancher, I was waiting on something to come in. It didn't quite come in before I got the video wrapped up. But I've been wanting to add something to this that I found on eBay. Let me show you what it is. Now, guys, when you're riding your four-wheeler ATV, especially in today's world, back when I was younger, it wasn't so much of an issue, but you have your cell phone, you don't know what to do with it, so you need like a cell phone holder. And I was looking on eBay and I seen a cup holder. I'll show you what I got here. This is from Ride Bakersfield, I believe. Anyway, that's what it is. It is a cup holder and a phone holder. Give you guys a better look at it. Yeah, I think the guy's name is Ryan Bakersfield. This is a pretty neat product, and I'm normally not a fan of 3D printed products. I've never really bought one before, but like these bend and stuff, so they're really soft. They're not actually very hard plastic, but this seems pretty heavy duty, pretty good quality. Now, guys, let me clear the air on this. This is in no way, form, or fashion a paid promotion. I paid full price for this. I went out on my own, bought it. I think tax, title, license, everything was about $45, which is kind of high, but the quality's good. Now, on his description, it says it fits an 05 to like 14 Rancher. This is a 2001, so I kind of took a gamble on it. But let me show you where it's supposed to go. It goes right here where this warning label is. You just take out the rivets. But I did some measuring, and it should just bolt right up just like that. And I know some of you are thinking, oh, the warning label's gone. Honestly, does anybody really read that anyway? I think I'd get a whole lot more use out of it as a cup holder than I would as a warning label. So anyway, let's get this thing installed. First, we're going to drill these little rivets out first. Get those drilled out, we're going to pry the little tag off. Well, alrighty guys, I got her cleaned up. The instructions call for 11 30-second drill bit to drill out these existing rivet holes. So that's what we're going to do. It helps if you go the right way. Oh guys, and one more thing I want to brag about is it actually came with the little plastic rivets that are just like the factory Honda, that attach your plastics on your Honda Rancher to attach this. So that's pretty cool. All right, we're ready to go. Now we're just going to install it. All right, well, there it is, guys. She is D-U-N-N, done like Brooks and Dunn. And I made a mistake. I did not need to drill these out. I just assumed because that's where the rivets were that I had to drill those out. Apparently not. So that's on me, guys. Don't do what I do. All right, guys. Hold your cell phone right there, nice and tight. And your beverage of choice. Oh yeah. It doesn't interfere with your leg. It doesn't stick. I was kind of worried it was going to stick out too far. But yeah. Well, alrighty guys, there you have it. The cup holder will fit a 2001 Honda Rancher, and it looks nice. It fits well. Other than me drilling some unnecessary holes, everything went great. Anyway guys, just wanted to share this with y'all. I thought it was pretty neat. Hope y'all like it. Hope it helps you out. And go check out that guy Ryan on eBay. I'll post the description in the video. Anyway guys, thank y'all for watching. Remember, please like, subscribe, all that mumbo jumbo everybody else always says. And y'all have a good evening.